Learn how to extend exam time for individual students in Brightspace with this step-by-step guide. Follow these instructions to confidently add special access time and customize exam settings for your course assessments. Access your course homepage to begin managing your exam settings. Navigate to the Activities section to locate your assessments. Click Quizzes. Click the drop-down and click Edit. Click Availability Dates and Conditions. Click Manage Special Access to find the student's name. Click Add Users to Special Access. Click Override Time Limit if that is the setting you'd like to change. Ensure the settings are correct. Change the number of minutes. Click this box to change the behavior when the time limit is exceeded. Check this box if you want to override the number of attempts for the student. Check the box next to the student's name. Click Save to save the settings. Click Save and Close. Communicate the updated exam time accommodations to the affected students. This guide detailed how to add special access time extensions and modify exam settings for individual students in Brightspace. You learned to navigate to the exam, enable overrides, assign special access, and save your changes effectively.
Thank you for joining us today for another Tech Tip Tuesday. We hope that you find this tip helpful. Thank you for watching and join us next week for our next Tech Tip Tuesday, brought to you by the Center for Teaching and Learning Excellence at St. Leo University.